Guardianship bank account rules. Taking on a guardianship in Texas can feel overwhelming when finances are involved. A guardianship account holds the ward's funds so their needs are covered and their property stays safe. Texas law sets clear rules for opening, tracking and reporting these accounts, and missing a step could put the ward's finances at risk. Working with a law firm that understands local courts and with a qualified lawyer can help you follow these requirements. Types of guardianship and duties. Texas distinguishes between guardianship of the person and guardianship of the estate. Guardians of the person oversee a ward's personal care, while guardians of the estate manage money and property for people who cannot handle their own affairs. Financial guardians must keep a dedicated account separate from personal funds and use it only for the ward's support, maintenance and education or other court-authorized purposes. They must file an annual account with vouchers and bank statements. Fiduciary duties require guardians to act in the ward's best interests, avoid conflicts and manage assets prudently. Accurate records and compliance with court orders are essential, and mismanagement can lead to liability or removal. Establishing the account. After appointment and qualification by oath and bond, a guardian receives letters of guardianship. These letters and a certified copy of the court order prove authority when opening the account. Courts may require deposits in a restricted, court-approved account. Prepare an inventory of the ward's assets as a baseline for financial management. Banks typically request certified orders and identification for both guardian and ward and verify this information to confirm authority. When choosing a financial institution, consider accessibility, fees and whether the bank has experience handling guardianship accounts. After the account is set up, keep it separate from personal funds and use it solely for the ward. Best practices and restrictions. Open a checking account used exclusively for guardianship transactions and pay all of the ward's expenses through it. Keep detailed records of all money received and spent. When questions arise, consult an attorney who can prepare inventories and annual accounts and offer advice. Manage the estate with the care of a prudent person, follow court directions and obtain approval for major decisions. Guardians must not treat the ward's property as their own. Funds may be used only for the ward's care and court-authorized purposes. They may perform only certain routine actions without court approval, such as releasing a lien when a debt is paid, voting proxies, paying calls and assessments and ensuring estate property or paying taxes and bond premiums. For other transactions, court approval is required. Filing required documents promptly helps avoid problems. Mismanagement, resignation and oversight. Mismanagement or fraudulent handling of a guardianship account can result in repayment of misused funds, fines or even criminal charges. Courts monitor accounts through regular reporting. A guardian who wishes to resign must file a written resignation and submit a verified final account. They remain responsible until the court approves the final account and may face liability if money or records are not turned over. The court appoints a successor guardian who must take an oath and post bond before accessing funds. Guardians must submit regular reports and a detailed annual accounting that itemizes all income and expenditures. Financial statements should show opening and closing balances and every transaction. Courts may conduct audits when irregularities are noted, and guardians must cooperate. Careful record keeping and transparency help maintain trust and compliance. Managing a guardianship account is a serious responsibility that demands diligence and adherence to the law. Support from a knowledgeable lawyer or attorney helps ensure fiduciary duties are met and that the ward's financial interests are protected. If you are managing such an account and need assistance, the Law Office of Whitney L. Thompson, PLLC can help. Contact this law firm at 281-214-0173 or visit 4201 Farm to Market 1960 Road W Suite 360, Box number 116B, Houston, Texas, 77068 for informed support.